In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to fix the issue of geometry dash not opening on your iPhone. Many users have reported that the game is not opening on iPhones running iOS 17. So I will provide you with some simple steps to help you get geometry dash working smoothly again. To get started, open up the Apple App Store and then search for geometry dash. After that, you have to update the app to the latest version. Once you've updated the Geometry Dash app, check if your issue is fixed or not. If you are still encountering the issue, exit the App Store and open up the Settings app on your iPhone. And then scroll down a bit and tap General. And then tap iPhone Storage. Now you'll be able to see all the apps installed on your device. Tap on the search bar at the top and search for the Geometry Dash app. Tap and select it from the search results. What you want to do next is tap where it says Offload app. And then tap Reinstall app. Offloading and reinstalling the Geometry Dash app can often resolve issues with the game not opening on an iPhone running iOS 17. Offloading the app removes the app data while keeping its documents and data intact, which can help to clear any corrupted files or data that might be causing the issue. Reinstalling the app then ensures a fresh installation, which can fix any underlying software issues. This process effectively allows for a clean reset of the app, potentially resolving any compatibility or performance issues. Once you've done that, go back and delete unwanted apps that you rarely use. Insufficient storage space can hinder the proper functioning of apps, including launch issues. By removing unnecessary apps, you can create more space for essential app data and processes to operate smoothly. This action may also help improve overall system performance by reducing the burden on device resources, potentially resolving the issue with Geometry Dash not opening. If none of these solutions fix your issue, go back to the General Settings page. Scroll down to the very bottom. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. And then tap Reset. Tap Reset All Settings. Enter the passcode. And then restart your iPhone. This troubleshooting step can eliminate conflicting configurations or software glitches that may be impeding the app's functionality. However, it's worth noting that this process will reset all personalized settings back to their default state, requiring you to reconfigure your preferences after the reset. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.